How can we manage channels and adjust channel visibility? In the channel, select Settings. After that, select Add or manage your channel. You will see a list of all the channels you have created so far. Let's choose Create a Channel. Enter the new channel name. All channels are associated with your email address. Confirm and select Create. Click on the profile picture and select YouTube Studio. You can switch from channel to channel in the same place. In this way, you have chosen to edit a new channel. Read the channel instructions and continue editing. Start adjusting channel visibility parameters. You can also start uploading a video. After selecting basic info, review the channel address. Copy the prepared channel description. Join a desired website to the channel. Of course, you can also delete associated websites. Select Branding. Set the channel image with Upload. Choose an image from your computer. You can adjust the image. Set banner image in the same way. See what size YouTube recommends. See how your image will look on different devices. You can also create your own video watermark that appears on all your future videos. Publish your new channel. Finally, click on your picture and see how the channel looks. You are ready to publish your videos. Thanks and good luck!